We kick this episode off with a look into the anatomy class.
After that, Peyton and Jacob will give us an update on the winter sports, and we'll have an exclusive interview with a few of our golfers.
Then, a few of us will hit the cafeteria and find out the LHS Super Bowl predictions.
And February 1st marked another successful showing for our choir program at the UIL Solo Ensemble Competition.
Elizabeth Britton, Cassidy Cubiston, Cameron Ivory, and Xavier Williams received a prestigious superior rating for their solo performances.
And our anatomy class recently had some hands-on experience with cow eyeballs.
Over to Colt, who is going to take us to the dissection lab.
Today, I heard the anatomy students are going to be dissecting a cow eye. Let's go check it out. So who am I here with?
Silas Wood.
Nice to meet you, Silas. So, what's the difference between the cow and human eye?
So the main difference obviously is it's bigger, and then there are two other differences. The second being there's a reflective lens in the back that actually allows at night. That's why you see the reflection when you shine a light in their eyes at night. And then the third is that the cow eye has 4 muscles and a human eye has 6 muscles. So cow eyes are not able to shift around like you can roll your eyes. Mm-hmm. That's why they have to shift their head back and forth like this, whereas humans can move their eyes right and left.
Well, that's super interesting. So who am I with today?
Chardonnay Walker.
Elizabeth McMahon.
Nice to meet y'all. So what kind of tools are y'all using during this dissection?
We used a scalpel, I think, a razor, something like that, and a pair of scissors.
Awesome. What interesting things have you found while doing the research for this project?
We found the pupil and the lens, and in the lens, it's upside down. Everything's wrong-sided.
Well, that's kind of interesting. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
So who am I with today?
Alex Perez.
Nice to meet you, Alex. So what are some of the key points that y'all are looking for while dissecting?
We're looking for the cornea, the lens, the aqueous humor, the retina, all like the layers and stuff.
All right, awesome. Thank you. That's a pretty cool hands-on experience, if you can stomach it. Thanks to all the students that we interviewed. Back to you, Madison and Caleb.
Yeah, better them than us.
Yeah. Thanks, Colt, for allowing us to take a closer look into our science department.
Now, Peyton and Jacob will be updating us on the winter sports.
Jacob also had a chance to talk to Coach Brister and a few of his senior golfers.
Peyton here with another winter sports update. On January 20th, the Livingston varsity girls basketball team took on Liberty High School but fell short. Corinne Henderson led the game with 11 points. On January 24th, the Lady Lions faced Hargrave Falcons at home. Despite their efforts, they took a close loss, but Reagan Lewis showed out, scoring 20 points. On January 31st, the team traveled to the Hardin Jefferson High School for another tough matchup against the Hawks. The Lady Lions fought hard, and the top scorer was Naira Johnson, who had 16 points. The team looks to bounce back in their upcoming games, so show your support. On January 24th, the Livingston varsity girls soccer team played a varsity-only match against Madisonville High School. The Lady Lions battled throughout the game but ended with a 2-0 loss. The team is working hard to turn things around, so let's cheer them on as they continue their season. Come and show your support on the 11th as we host our senior night. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, go Lions. Our girls powerlifting team started the season strong at their home meet January 30th. Each athlete maxed out on squat, bench press, and the deadlift. Macy Gober won her weight class with a combined weight of 565 pounds. Maddie Allen won her weight class with a combined weight of 985 pounds. And Mia Escobedo, Shelby Sandoval, and Julia Patsky also placed in the top 3 to help the girls win 2nd place overall. Amazing job, girls. Our Lady Lion golfers competed at the Hardin Jefferson Invitational on January 27th. Maddie Akers was the 4th place overall medalist. As for your Lady Lions softball team, they are working hard to prepare for the upcoming season.
Hey Lions, Jacob here with our guys sports update. Our soccer team faced tough competition, falling to the Jasper Bulldogs 3-1, but bouncing back with a 1-1 tie against the Hudson Hornets. They secured a solid 3-1 victory over the Carthage Bulldogs before narrowly losing to the Crockett Cougars 2-1. Over to powerlifting, the boys placed 6th overall at their first home meet of the season with some standout performances from Roman Ontiveros, who took first place in his weight class, lifting an impressive 1,390 pounds. Angel Villa secured second place in his weight class, totaling 1,005 pounds, and Dalton Welch finished third in his class with 935 pounds. Our boys baseball team competes in a scrimmage at Anahuac this Friday as they prepare for their upcoming district games. Our varsity golf team is preparing for their next tournament on February 14th in Huntsville at the Sam Houston Golf Course. And now to basketball. The Hampshire Finette Longhorns handed the team a loss despite Zycus' 20-point and 13-rebound performance. They bounced back with a 47-42 win over the Liberty Panthers, led by Zycus' 14 points and 11 rebounds. Against the Huffman Falcons, the team fell with Corey scoring 17 points and grabbing 8 rebounds, while Zycus added an extra 14 points and 11 rebounds. Finally, they fought hard but fell to the Hardin-Jefferson Hawks. The boys' current record is 18-13 overall and 5-4 in the district. Great job, boys. Now on to Madison and Caleb.
Thank you, Peyton and Jacob.
And we would also like to welcome our new athletic director, Coach Tucker Carter. Welcome to Lion Country. We're glad to have you here.
Next, we'll be talking to y'all in the cafeteria to check in with our football fans and find out their Super Bowl predictions.
To the cafeteria.
I'm here with.
Coach Sozo.
And do you know who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
I do. The Philadelphia Eagles versus the Kansas City Chiefs.
And who are you wanting to win?
I like the Eagles. I like the Chiefs. For me, Eagles haven't won one in a while. Jalen Hurts is from Houston. Wow. He's a local boy. But at the same time, you got the Kansas City Chiefs, Mahomes going for the three-peat. That's special too. So I have mixed emotions.
Who am I here with?
Silas Wood.
And do you like football?
Yeah.
Who is in the Super Bowl this year?
The Eagles and the Chiefs.
And who do you think is going to win?
Fly, Eagles, fly, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
I'm here with
Maddie.
And do you like football?
Somewhat.
Which team is your favorite?
Probably the Texans.
Okay. When was the last time they won the Super Bowl?
They've never won a Super Bowl.
Thank you.
I'm here with
Caden.
And do you know who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
The Chiefs and the Eagles.
Who are you looking to win?
The Eagles.
Who am I here with?
Kyron Gilkey.
Do you like football?
Yes.
Do you know who's going to the Super Bowl?
Chiefs and the Eagles, right?
Yeah.
I'm here with
Mackenzie Murphy.
And do you like football?
Yeah.
Who do you think is going to the Super Bowl?
Well, the Chiefs been 2 years in a row. So the Chiefs.
And who are they going against?
I don't know.
Can you just take a educated guess?
Texans.
Okay, and who do you think is going to win?
Chiefs.
I'm here with
Jace.
And do you know who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
I do.
Name them.
Eagles and Chiefs.
Okay. Who do you want to win?
The Chiefs.
Okay. And what's your score predictions?
Like 6-7.
6-7. And can you name 2 players from the Chiefs?
Oh yeah, I got you. Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift the year.
Who am I here with?
Isaiah.
And do you like football?
Yeah.
Okay, who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
Eagles and Chiefs, obviously.
Okay. Who do you think's going to win?
Chiefs.
I'm here with
Carson Pipes. Braden Akers.
And do y'all like football?
Yes. Kinda.
Who do y'all think is going to win the Super Bowl?
Kansas City. Philadelphia.
What is y'all score predictions?
Kansas City's gonna win 28-17. Philadelphia's gonna win 45-25.
Can you name 2 people from the Kansas City Chiefs?
Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce.
And can you name 2 people from the Eagles?
Saquon Barkley and Jalen Hurts.
Thank you.
I'm here with
Juan.
Do you know who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
Yes.
And who do you want to win?
I want the Eagles to win.
What's your score predictions?
Probably like 32-28.
All right, who am I here with?
Jatarius Randolph. Randall Williams.
Okay. And do y'all like football?
Oh, love it.
Facts, yeah.
All right. Do you know who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
The Eagles and the Chiefs. Yeah, Eagles and Chiefs.
Okay. And who do you think's going to win?
I want the Eagles to win. Eagles taking it, bro.
Okay.
I'm here with
Kenzie.
And do you like football?
No.
Do Do you know who's going to the Super Bowl?
No.
Do you want to take a guess?
Me? I'm going?
No, like who are the teams that are going? Who are the teams that are going?
The Chiefs.
And who else?
Cowboys? Texans?
Sure. And out of those two teams, who do you think would win?
The Chiefs.
Okay, who am I here with?
Valdo Alvarez.
Okay, do you like football?
Somewhat. I like soccer more, which that's my football.
I got you. Okay, do you know who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
The Chiefs and the Eagles.
All right, who do you think's going to win?
Well, me, I'm more of a Chiefs fan, but it was really rigged. The Bills should have won that game. But
okay. Who am I here with?
Ashlyn Moore.
And do you like football?
It's all right.
Okay, do you know who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
No. If I had to guess, just off of like talk, the Eagles and the Chiefs.
That is correct. Okay, who do you think's going to win?
The Chiefs.
Okay, who am I here with?
Rodolfo Marquez Jr.
Okay, do you like football?
Baseball more, but yeah.
Do you know who's going to the Super Bowl?
No, but I know one team though.
What team is that?
The Chiefs.
If you were to guess, what's the other team?
The Falcons.
Okay, in between those two teams, what do you think the score of the Super Bowl is going to be?
I'm here with.
David DeVille.
And do you like football?
Yes, I love it.
Who is your favorite team?
Texans, but I guess Chiefs is my second.
Where are they from? Like what city?
Houston.
And when was the last time they won the Super Bowl?
They haven't won one ever.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, who am I with?
Zayden Martin.
Okay, and do you like football?
Yeah.
Okay, who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
The Eagles and the Chiefs.
Who do you think's going to win?
The Eagles.
Okay, what's your prediction for the score?
I'll say 34-27.
Okay, that's solid. Appreciate it.
I'm here with.
Mama.
And do you like football?
Yes.
Do you know who's going to the Super Bowl?
Kansas City Chiefs and the Eagles.
Yes. Who do you think is going to win?
Kansas City Chiefs.
Who am I here with?
Tony Pena.
And do you know who's going to the Super Bowl?
The Chiefs and the Eagles.
Okay. Who do you want to win?
The Eagles. I'm tired of the Chiefs winning.
Okay, who am I here with?
Andrew Jackson.
And do you like football?
A little bit.
Okay. Do you know who's going to the Super Bowl?
Oh yeah, the Eagles and the Kansas City.
Okay, who do you think's going to win?
Eagles. Patrick Mahomes, Dookie.
Okay, what do you think the score is going to be?
We definitely it's going to be 56-7.
56-7. All right, I got you. Thank you. Who am I here with?
Ryan Richardson.
And do you like football?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Who's going to the Super Bowl?
The Eagles and the Chiefs.
Okay, who do you think's going to win?
I hope the Eagles win.
What's your score prediction for the Super Bowl?
I'm projecting 14-21. Eagles on top, hopefully.
Okay, who am I here with?
Xavier.
And who is your favorite football team?
The Eagles.
The Eagles? Okay. What's your score prediction for the Super Bowl?
50-20 Eagles.
Who am I here with?
Aiden Coryell.
And do you like football?
Yeah.
Okay, who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
Eagles and Chiefs.
Who do you think's going to win?
Eagles.
Okay, what's your prediction for the score?
I'm going to say 36-33.
Okay, thank you. Who am I here with?
Cruz Julian.
Okay, and do you like football? Okay, who's going to the Super Bowl this year?
Kansas City Chiefs.
And?
Eagles.
Okay. And who do you think's going to win?
Kansas City Chiefs.
What's the score prediction?
21-18. Positive.
Okay. Who am I here with?
William Snook.
And do you watch football?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know who's going to the Super Bowl?
Yeah. That's the Chiefs and the Eagles.
Well, it looks like we're divided on our predictions. Caleb, who do you think's going to win?
Not the Chiefs.
But I mean, they have Taylor Swift on their team.
Anyways, thanks for watching this week's episode.
Make sure to stay caught up on the LASD Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel.
Now let's roll the bloopers.
Peyton here with another It's Not Going. On January 31st, the Lions fought hard, and the top scorer was Naira Jackson, who had this. Madison, come hold this thing.
Hey, what are you doing? Hello. Hornets. They secured a solid victory. They secured a solid 3-1 victory over the Our soccer team,
Thank you, Peyton and Jacob.
And we would also like to welcome our new athletic director, Coach Tucker.
Carter. Coach Tucker Carter.
Coach Tucker.
In February 1st marked another success. It started going. It was going.
We kicked this episode off with a look into the anatomy class.
After that, Peyton and Jacob will give us an update on the winter sport. Sorry, it started like after her line.
Now let's roll the bloopers.